Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the A.I.Earn token. Now the A.I.Earn token is just being listed May 5th on a central exchange, which is today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So A.I.Earn is the name of the token. Ticker symbol is AIE. This token is being listed today, May 5th, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol AIE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. And like I said, it got listed today, May 5th, and trading opens exactly 10 o'clock UTC time. So if you want to find more details about the A.I.Earn token, they have a Twitter. It is at AI__earn. So 2 underscores. If you go over to Mexc Global's Twitter, at Mexc_global, you'll find an announcement here about their new listing. And you can find a details section that's going to have all the information on this token here. So they did have a win to earn airdrops competition where people could earn 10 million AIE airdrops, and that was in a Kickstarter event. But now the token is fully listed for trading. They have their block explorer on here. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. It's a BEP20 token. They have a total supply here. That is 1 trillion AIE tokens. Right now they have 15,944 holders. So this is a very well-established project already. 18 decimal places on this token. They do have a full white paper available on the Mexc Global announcement. Now their official webpage is Aiearn.org. And if you want to find their white paper, Aiearn.org/white paper. That's going to have all the news on there. They also have the Twitter I mentioned and a Telegram as well that you could find on their webpage. Now, this token has a full CertiK audit, and CertiK is the leading auditor in the crypto space, so that's great to see that they have that. They also have Medium articles, roadmap, tokenomics, so they have play to earn, token information. So it says, work smarter, earn faster. Welcome to the new world, AIE on Mexc Global. And they have tons of info on their page here regarding the token as well. It says, A.I.Earn is a revolutionary play-to-earn project that is powered entirely by artificial intelligence. This project aims to revolutionize the gaming industry by creating a puzzle-thinking game that is unlike any other, thanks to its unique capabilities of AI technology. But that's not it. A.I.Earn also incorporates cryptocurrency and swap tech into its platform, making it an all-encompassing ecosystem for gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike, adding a new level of excitement and collectability to the project. So the token, AIE, is the primary utility token of the A.I.Earn ecosystem. This token can be utilized to access premium features such as exclusive play-to-earn opportunities and more. So it says 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax. That, of course, they're talking about the decentralized exchange, if you're going to get this off PancakeSwap or something like that. Now, if you get it off Mexc Global, it's going to be very low fees as well. Mexc Global has some of the lowest trading fees out of any central exchange. Tons of new coins and tokens. At least a quarter of my videos are about new Mexc Global tokens because you know, they have so many good ones on here. Now, play to earn is the future. Just quickly on that, you know, I do a lot of meme coin videos as well. Now, the meme coins obviously can be way more sketchy. People consider them way more fun. You can get way more risk, but way more reward, stuff like that. Mexc Global does have meme coins, but they have more well-established projects. So that's the difference. Like I said, this token already has 15,000 holders on it. So the revolutionary new play-to-earn game created entirely by artificial intelligence with a focus on puzzle solving and critical thinking. Players can put their mind to the test while earning real rewards. Join us on this groundbreaking journey and experience gaming like never before. And they have a play now button, but it says coming soon. So it's not fully available yet. Now the tokenomics for the token, so the A.I.Earn's tokenomics are designed to provide users with a variety of benefits, earn rewards through play-to-earn mechanics, and take advantage of cutting-edge swap technology. So they have the NFT roster. Integration of NFTs into the game adds a new dimension to the immersive gaming experience. They have play-to-earn, so the revolutionary new play-to-earn created entirely by artificial intelligence. They have swap technology, so using AIE swap, users will be able to exchange tokens with minimal effort. And it says 95% locked tokens with a monthly vesting schedule until 100% unlocked. Now, they do have their taxes, what is this here? So it says, so this is tokens being unlocked. Some of it goes to development, some marketing, some to the NFT roster, some to public sale, team, and ecosystem. So they do have a roadmap on here as well, starting with phase 1, AIE token created, website launch, social media launch, marketing plan. Phase 2, Telegram growth, audit, media coverage, and AMAs. 60,000 community members. Phase 3, marketing campaigns, play-to-earn launch, list on exchange, AIE swap. Phase 4, major partnerships, NFT roster, premium features, and game implementation. Now they have their partners on here: Certic, BSC Scan, MarketWatch, Mexc Global, Benzinga, Digital Journal, CoinSniper, CoinDiscovery, and GemFinder. Check it all out, A.I.Earn.org, and check out this token newly listed today on Mexc Global. So check out the referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it has good potential or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.